Get3D Mapper supports multiple computer cluster computing to process project with large number of images. Here, we introduce you how to batch management of engine nodes for cluster computing. Get3D Mapper software contains two modules, Get3D Mapper, UI for user to operate, and Get3D Engine runs at background, algorithms for automatic modeling. First, download and install Get3D Mapper on each computer. The Get3D Mapper installation process will automatically accompany the installation of Get3D Engine. After finishing the installation, 1. Open the Get3D Mapper software on each of the 10 computers. 2. Log into your account and activate the license to each computer. Start the engine on all 10 computers. Click Settings Local Engine Settings in the menu bar, then click Start Engine to access the engine UI interface. Before performing cluster computing on multiple computers, please make sure that each computer is connected to same LAN and can connect each other. Each machine has read and write permission to other computers. After obtaining authorization and starting the engine on all 10 computers, select a computer as the master computer and create project. Please set the project path to a network path that can be accessed by other computers. Subsequent operations can be completed on the project of this master computer. After creating the project, set the engine path. Open the Setup Engine window in the menu bar Settings. Set both the task directory settings and the local engine setting to the same network path. After completing the image import and positioning, and correctly filling in the camera information, click Submit Aerial Triangulation. Distribute engine nodes. Open the engine interface. In the engine information column, you can see the current state of the engine, the version of the engine, and the address of the task path, and so on. Select all engines, right-click on Task Path, and select Modify Task Path. Setting the task path of all the 10 engines to the task path set when the main project submits the task. Right-click to Start Engine, then all the engine of 10 computers start cluster computing for the task.